Catherine is going to eat her first solids. Okay, see, look, what do you
March
think?
20th.
March 20th, 2012. Here we go. You ready? Yum? Do you like it? Yum? Again? You again? Okay, come here. Hold still. Hold still. Again? Yummy? Ah? Again? Okay, here we go. Here. Do you like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want more? Okay. Yum yum. We'll send this to Grandma. Yum yum. Woody, move. Uh-huh. Yum yum. Huh? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Another bite. Here we go. Come on, Woody. Come on, Catherine, here. Yum, yum. Yeah.
She likes it.
She likes it. Okay, tell Grandma that you like it, okay? Oh, now we're opening our mouth. Okay, we're getting the hang of this real quick. Here, look at her. Oh, goodness. Yum. Do another bite? More? Huh? Yeah, okay. No, Woody, move.
Woody.
Here you go. You want a bite? Here. Come on here.
Woody likes to be.
All right, good girl. You can turn it off then. Say bye-bye.